Hobart School of Welding Technology presents Training in Oxy-Acetylene Welding, Cutting, and Brazing. Topic number 12, Job Practice. Square groove weld, butt joint, overhead position. The objective of this topic is to be able to produce quality square groove welds on butt joints in the overhead position using the keyhole technique. The finished weld will be smooth and slightly convex, with even ripples, and should penetrate to the root to form a flush to 1/16 inch reinforcement. The weld symbol appears the same as for the flat and vertical practices. Since the weld itself is the same, only the welding position has changed. Material: 11 gauge mild steel plate. Filler metal, 3/32 inch diameter RG45. Equipment: oxyacetylene supply and equipment. Protective clothing, gloves, and goggles. Striker and pliers. Tip orifice, size number 56. Tip cleaner, number 56. Gas pressure settings: oxygen setting 6 psi, acetylene setting 6 psi, flame neutral. The workpiece for this job practice is the same as the previous square groove practices. Clamp the workpiece in the overhead position about 6 inches over your head with the plates in a horizontal position and with the joint pointing towards you. When welding, the direction of travel will be towards you from back to front. The work angle is 90 degrees, perpendicular to the plates. The travel angle is 20 degrees push. The filler rod is held in line with the joint and angled down about 45 degrees. This will bring the rod past your ear. Form the keyhole as in previous practices and add the filler metal about halfway into the joint as you move along at a steady rate. When you reach the tack weld at the end of the joint, melt through the tack weld and fill the hole. Overhead position welding is difficult because the force of gravity causes the molten metal to sag, and it is an uncomfortable welding position. There will be a natural tendency to change torch angles and to be somewhat unsteady, which may result in dripping molten metal, wandering from the weld line, and uneven filler metal addition. The finished weld should be even, about 1/4 inch wide, and slightly convex. There is full fusion with both plates and full penetration to the root to form a slight reinforcement. Inspect the weld and continue practice.